In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain using the Cloudflare dashboard. Now, this process is straightforward and doesn't require any advanced tech knowledge. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you have it up and running, direct your attention to the upper right portion of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Add, which is your gateway to connecting a domain. Go ahead and click on that button. Next, you should see an option that says Connect a Domain. This is exactly where you want to be. By selecting this, you're initiating the process of linking a domain, whether it's one you already own or a brand new one you've just acquired. Right after that, you'll encounter a type bar, which is essentially a text field where you're going to enter your desired domain name. For the sake of this example, let's imagine that you're typing in yahoo.com. Of course, you'll be entering your own domain, but using yahoo.com helps us visualize the process. Once you've entered your domain, you'll want to scroll down slightly and hit the Continue button below. It's just a little tap away and confirms your intent to move on with the connection process. Now at this point, you might be wondering what happens next. You'll be presented with an overview of your domain configuration and some important details, like the API keys. This overview is crucial as it allows you to review the connection and ensure everything appears correct before finalizing the process. Though it seems like there should be more steps, that's really all there is to it for this basic setup. The simplicity of Cloudflare really shines here as you quickly get all you need in one seamless experience. Setting up domains can often be a daunting task, but with Cloudflare's efficient dashboard, it becomes an approachable task, even for those who aren't too tech-savvy. You now have your domain connected and configured, leveraging Cloudflare's powerful content delivery network and security features with minimal effort. Make sure to double-check everything looks good in the overview and that you've got your API information handy if you need it for further customizations or integrations. Remember, setting up a domain with Cloudflare simplifies many networking challenges, providing added security and enhanced performance options. And just like that, you've learned to connect a domain through the Cloudflare dashboard with ease. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial, and I hope it was as informative as it was simple to execute. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to browse through more of our content for additional guidance. Enjoy your newly connected domain and see you in the next